Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make these okra or lady finger with Goan Recheado Masala. It is really delicious recipe and you will absolutely love this recipe, and it is also simple and very easy and quick to make. So do try this recipe at home guys. I can't wait to show you this recipe. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan add 2 tablespoons oil. Add 1 chopped onion and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add about 6 dried kokum and fry this for a minute. Then add 1 chopped tomato and fry until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Something like this. Then add 3 tablespoons Goan Recheado Masala and add 3 tablespoons hot and sweet Maggie sauce. Then fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then add some salt to taste and fry this for about a minute. Make sure the flame is on medium. Then add 450 grams of okra or lady finger and mix it really nicely. Then add half cup of water and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it halfway through. When it is half done, then give this a really nice mix. Then add some salt to taste if required and cook it until the lady fingers are nice and soft. The recipe is ready now. Serve it nice and hot. I hope you like this recipe guys. It is a super simple and really easy recipe, and it is very nice and delicious and you will absolutely love it. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments. And if you like the recipe, then please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. And also I have so many other recipes on my channel, so please do have a look guys. And thanks for watching my recipe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.